The best way to get better at something is to practice. And in this example, we are going to look at building an ordered list. That is a list of items where the order does matter. This file is available for you to download so you can have a start. We'll give you about 5 seconds so you can pause this video and download it using the link provided below in the description. You can then choose to either follow along or attempt on your own and then check your answer. Alright, so let's get started. This is using the same file that we used in our last example. We've just removed our unordered list and now we need to create an ordered list. In this case, we're going to be creating a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So the first thing we need to do is we need to create the surrounding or outside tag that will define this as an ordered list. This is simply OL for ordered list. Then, just like with an unordered list, we have list items. And in fact, we use the exact same tag. That is LI. The first thing we're going to do is we need to specify, we need to get out the materials we need to make our sandwich. Okay. Now we're going to do a couple more list items to show off how we're going to make this sandwich. So the basics of how do we build a sandwich. Now, clearly, this is not the only steps. And if we want to be really particular, we'd have to be very, very particular and specific about how we do it. But for this simple example, this explanation works. Once again, I'm going to right-click, Reveal in File Explorer, and open our file. Notice that even though we had the same list item, because we had that different outer list, the ordered list, it put numbers instead of bullet points. And that's the power of the ordered list versus the unordered list. In our next video, I'm going to show you how you can actually mix these by nesting lists when necessary. So use the link on the screen to go to that video to see how to do that.